Hello everyone. Welcome back for another Anything Goes Saturday. Vicki and I share whatever we want from our stash and give you some inspiration. I got my Uniquely Creative kit, monthly kit for February, and I thought I would use something in there. Now, I will tell you, this is a big kit because I ordered a bunch of other stuff with it. So, oops, it's upside down. That's why it's giving me a fit. All right, here we go. And here's my kit. Look at that, all that purple. Woohoo! I also ordered this, which is the strips for sentiments. This goes with this month's kit, and these are vellum stickers. I had to get these. These look so much fun. This is a Easter Florals cut apart. I have to cut that out. And then I ordered the cardstock to go with the kit. I've never done that before, and I decided I wanted to give it a try. So let me take and set that aside, and let's see what's in my kit. This is a great value for your money. I'm just amazed at what you get in this kit. See that die that I showed you? That die you put on here and line it up, and it cuts all of them out at once. And if you need to trim it, you can trim it. Doesn't matter. All right, so I love that. So there's that. We got the 6x6 collection. And these are exclusive to Uniquely Creative. They're not, they're not in other companies. Oh, wow, look at this. Pretty paper. All right. I'm loving this. And they're one-sided, single-sided, so I don't have to worry about showing you the back. Look at that. I mean, gorgeous paper. I'm waiting until we get back to the front. There's a cut-apart sheet. All right, there's that. There's another cut-apart sheet. I'm loving the purple. There's this one. Another cut-apart sheet. And I'm back to the beginning. So those are the colors that we got, or the paper that we got. We got, let's see, you always get cards and envelopes. And I'm playing with this because I'm thinking this can be mailed in the US as long as it's not, it's like 5x7 or less, but bigger than 3.5x5, you can mail it with a single stamp. Okay, let's see. Oh, it fell out of my envelope. They stuff it so full that the envelope split. You get some gems. Oh, these are sparkly. And see, here we go again. These are the creative cuts. These are already cut out. And you get some ribbon. And I'm not going to... Is this one ripped on the side? Yeah, it's ripped on the side, so I'm not going to keep it. It's just to be a pain. And then they give you card ideas, and these are full size. So you can kind of go with it the way you want. But I'm going to, I think I'm going to play with this and make my card today. Let me move this box out of the way. All right, now I don't want to throw this away because my paper goes in there. The first thing I need, I won't be using this. I don't think I'm going to use the cards and envelopes, but I don't know. I'm going to hold on to that. I know I won't be using this. The rest of this I'm not certain of. And I'm not moving my cardstock because I might use it as a layer. But these are supposed to go with it, and I wanted to see what their paper is like. All right. I really like that. I like that one. I like that one. Nothing's, some of this isn't grabbing me, so to speak, so that's why I'm setting it aside. See, I would cut that down the middle, and then I have two pieces. We'll see. I like this one better for what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. All right, now there's got green in it. I'm not going to take time to do a cut apart today. I'm going to use my pieces that are already cut, and I'm back to where I started. All right, so I've got 3 pieces, and I'm going to move this out of the way, and I have to decide what I'm going to do. All right, let's look at the paper, the cardstock. Okay, there's the green. Nothing there that really strikes me. There's a tan. Nothing there. There's another green. I'm thinking it has to be purple. So let me put these back in here because I'm not using the green or that tan. Now I have this purple. All right. And I like the darker. All right, I think I'm going to use the darker. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. I'm going to use the darker purple. And I think I'm going to use one of their cards and card bases and envelopes rather. I just have to find the envelopes. That's a card base, card base, card base, card base. These are all card bases. Those are card bases. That's the envelope. Oh, I didn't think it was the same size, but it works. All right, so I've got my card base and my envelope. All right, now this is just over 4 inches by 5 3/4. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of this. This is really thick. It feels like 2, but it's not. It's thick. I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches because it's 4 1/8 by 5 3/4, and I might have to cut it some more. The advantage to this is you can still get the panels you need out of the front. A lot of times they keep their panels the same size. All right, I've got to cut a little bit off the length. I went down to 5 5/8. There we go. All right, I think I'm going to cut this in half. It's going to be 3 inches, but I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to use this side and put it on here. I'm going to cut it down. I like this side, but it looks funny to me on that side. So this is the side I'm using. Don't you love it? I've got stuff everywhere. All right, we can get rid of these papers. I'm not using those. Let me cut this down. That was, let's see, 5 5/8 or 5 1/2. All right, so right about there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna attach this to my panel, but I'm not gonna put it on the card base yet because I'm trying to make my borders top and bottom and side even. I may put a ribbon down the side of this. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And let me look at my creative cuts because they have some I haven't hardly ever used the ribbon. It's not one of my favorites, ribbons. All right, let's see. What sentiments are in here. All right, they've got celebrate today, heartfelt wishes, birthday dreams, happy birthday, happy birthday, best wishes, moments that matter. I think I'm going to use this because I have somebody I'm going to send this to, and I can put on the inside, since it says moments that matter, I can put on the inside, are spent with you. I can write that in. All right, you know what? I'm not going to spend time putting all this back in because it's fallen out, because it's ripped. So I'll find something to store them in. Probably a Ziploc baggie. Live your best life. All right, let me get this off and out of here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. No, I'm going to put my ribbon down first. And my ribbon is sheer. Okay. The other thing that they do is they wind their ribbon this way, which isn't good. All right. Let me put this down. It put kinks in it. I don't like kinky ribbon. All right, I'm gonna tie this. And I don't think, yes it is. I'm gonna take my, this is a little trick. If you don't have a second set of hands, take your reversible tweezers and clamp that knot. Tie your bow, and I'm trying to save ribbon. I can't grab that. Come on. I don't usually struggle. There we go. But I've got to, oh darn. All right, let's try this again. Okay. All right, I can adjust it now and tighten it good, and then hold that knot and release your tweezers. And look at that. You have a nice bow. And I don't have a lot of tail, which is fine. So I've got that. All right, that can get out of the way. Now this I'm going to put on with some glue. And I just filled this yesterday. I was squeezing and couldn't figure out why. And I thought, well, it was clogged again. So I filled it with glue and it seems to be working fine. So it needed some filling. Okay. I'm just randomly putting glue down. All right, let me put this on. And I'm going to use my tweezers to pick this up. Get that off so I don't get it on anything. All right. There. And I'm going to take my block and put my block on there. Now, let's see. am I going to put on here? I have the vellum stickers. Let's see what's in there. See if there's something small in here. And they call them stickers, so I'm assuming that they are a sticker. We'll find out. If not, I'll be gluing them on too. Well, it's got a shiny piece. Somebody said take the edge. I'm thinking it is. Yep, it is. You know, I can't grab it. So I'm going to take my tweezers. There we go. Once you get it started, it's okay. Of course, the plastic is very... Okay, I'm going to put it on this way. Really nice. All right, now let me find something to put inside. Oh, there's a fairy. Here's one and some leaves. All right, and again, I'm not going to try and put this all back in the envelope because I don't know if it's straight or not. I'm going to put down the leaf first. So, all right, this one was a little bit easier. Maybe it was first time trying it. All right, now. I'm liking these vellum stickers. I may have to look for more of those. All right, here we go. I got to watch this corner. I can't get it down too far. There. All right, I've got that done. Now this should be done, that I can take and add it to my card base. Now make sure you head on over to Vicky's link channel. I don't know if she does a blog post or if she just does her YouTube. I do both. And check her project out. All right. There it is, my first play with the February card making kit. It's the Serenity card making kit. And isn't that a pretty card? I can't wait to send this out. And that's what the inside and the envelope looks like. Thanks for joining me. Check out Vicky's. Make sure you subscribe. Have a super Saturday. Bye.